In this video, we will track an individual worker's wage payment through their muster roll to see the full stage 1 and stage 2 delay. If a worker approaches us saying that their wages were delayed, we can track the full extent of their delay with their job card number. Let us take the example of Kalipat Sahu from Panchayat Dhobari, Block Kalyasol, District Dhanbad in Jharkhand. First, navigate to the NREGA website. On the top right corner, there is an option from where we can go to the old NREGA website. Let's click on that. Now, we have to select the tab called States, which will provide us with a list of all the states. Here we will select Jharkhand. On the left, there is a panel with all the districts in Jharkhand, and we will select Kalipat Sahu's district Dhanbad. Now on the right side here, we have to select the correct financial year. The muster roll of the payment we are tracking was generated in financial year 2019 to 20, so we will select that. Now, the left panel has a list of all the blocks in Dhanbad. We will select Kalyasol. And finally, we will select Sahu's Gram Panchayat, Dhobari. This will lead us to the Gram Panchayat level reports. Now we will navigate to report R1.5, Job Card/Employment Register. In this list, we will use Ctrl plus F to locate Kalipat Sahu's job card number 437. Clicking on it, we will see his job card and his employment details. We know the muster number of his payment that was delayed, so we will search for that using Ctrl plus F again, 25813. Clicking on this will lead us to the asset register. Now in the list of muster rolls, we will once again locate and click on the muster roll number 25813. Now we can see the payment details of everybody in this muster roll. Locating Kalipat Sahu, we can clearly see that his account was credited with wages on 20th March 2020. We can also see that the muster roll was completed on 12th December 2019. This means that the payment was received 99 days after the work was completed. This is a delay of 84 days for the worker, and he is entitled to compensation for that. In this video, we saw how to track an individual worker's entire wage payment through their muster roll and see the entire time taken from the time the muster roll was completed to the time their account was credited with their wages.